Good afternoon, Johnson's class.
Good afternoon, Mr. Manager.
3.4 multiples and least common multiples. Can you find the least common multiple of two or more numbers?
Yes.
Actually, we never actually found the least common multiple of more than two numbers. Do you think you actually could do that if you had to?
Yes.
Yeah, probably just make more than two snakes. All right, really quick. A multiple is the exact same thing as a... Say again? This is a multiplication problem right there, yes or no?
Yes.
What is this part called?
Factors.
And what is this part called?
Product.
Product or the multiple, right? So is 12 a multiple of 3?
Yes.
Is 12 a multiple of 4?
Yes.
Least common multiple, we'll talk about that in a second. Okay, so here we go. This is the number we're looking at. Everybody, what's that number called?
4.
What's the first multiple of 4?
4.
Because you multiplied by?
1.
What's the second multiple of 4?
8.
Because you multiplied by?
2.
What's the third multiple of 4?
12.
Because you multiplied by?
3.
What is the 100th multiple of 4?
400.
Good. Same thing with 6. What's the first multiple of 6?
6.
Because you multiplied by?
1.
That pattern repeats literally for every single number in the whole wide world, right?
Yes.
Amantra, I need you to turn and be looking up here. Turn, look up here. All right, to find the LCM. So LCM stands for? Let's try that again. LCM stands for?
Least common multiple.
To find the LCM of two or more numbers, you're going to create snakes, yes?
Yes.
So if I wanted to find the smallest number that 4 and 6 both go into, I create a 4 snake, and I create a 6 snake, right?
Yes.
Now, when I look at my snake, I cross off the numbers that don't work, yes?
Yes.
Just like in the smiley face method?
Yes.
And then I circle the smallest number that works in both snakes, yes?
Yes.
Down here, it looks like this snake's a lot longer for 7 and 8, isn't it?
Yes.
Because I think I told you, find the first 5 multiples of each number, right?
Yes.
But if you end up crossing them all off, how many more numbers should we try to find?
3.
Yeah, try to find 3 more numbers. And that's what note number 7 is telling you, yes?
Yes.
Okay, last thing, I'm not going to talk much about this problem, but it talks about Lewis and Wes and all the home runs that they hit in baseball.
Yeah.
Make sure that you read the question carefully, and if the question is asking you to find multiples of a number, then you would use the snake method like what we did down here. Sound okay?